this is Tiny Tidy Tuesday, my favorite time of the week. And today we're working on cleaning up my painting table. And if you haven't checked out Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home, please do. And the amazing creators in our Tiny Tidy team in the playlist in my description box. Please do. And let's get started. Okay, this Tiny Tidy is going to be cleaning off my work table and getting it more organized, and also the stuff that fell off my work table. My Yorkie did a number. She basically jumped up on the table and knocked some things on the floor, so we're going to do some just tidying up my work table and cleaning up some stuff that got knocked on the floor. That's what my Tiny Tidy is going to be for today. First, I have a box that I'm going to put in here things that doesn't go here. Such as these. These needs to be put away. Let's see what else we got. Put away. These are all things that go somewhere else. The ribbon goes somewhere else. The wire cutters. This ribbon goes somewhere else. These go somewhere else. Okay, now I'm going to get a garbage bag. Let's put the trash away. This goes in my other desk, so that goes somewhere else. This is just trash. That needs to be put away. Same way with this. throwing away more stuff. This is my husband's. I'm gonna set that out in his garage. Doesn't belong here. That there could go with my wood blanks. These, I'm gonna set these over here with, I have some beads and a little thing. That can go away. This can go away. Oh, that's glittery stuff. I don't use these, so I'm going to get rid of that. And let's get to this paint. My paint's kind of a mess, so we're going to get up there to that. Let's look at my paint. Like I said, my paint's a mess. Here's my paint. See how much of a mess it is? When it gets turned the wrong way, it's hard to tell what color paint I have. That one's almost empty. Okay. Let's look at the other one. I've used a lot of gray. Wow, and my black's getting low. more stuff that I found that needs to go away. Just empty packaging, a paper plate, a sticker that don't stick anymore. And now I can put my, kind of brush this off into the bag, and then I can put my, I normally have a bag, a plastic bag over my table. My friend Terry uses paper. I need to find some of that. Go to that. I think it would be better. Because on my last week's video, I ended up melting the plastic bag to the table, as you can see, right there. If you have a craft room, what do you use to put on your table? Or do you put anything on your table? Okay, a half a bag of garbage I got rid of from the craft room table, and a full box that goes other places besides. Okay, here's the final reveal of what I've done to my table. Just cleaned it off so it's easier for me to work here. And I did a little organizing to make it easier to work and to get rid of stuff I don't need.